Here's what I found at store closing sales.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Fabulous Life 101. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification right now.
By the way, I'm especially talking to the fashionistas, shopaholics, and bargain hunters today. My name is Anne. This is Fabulous Life 101. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about what's out there as far as store closing sales. Let's just take a moment of silence and pay tribute to a few of the retailers that had to shut down their doors this year. Steinmart, New York & Company, Pier 1 Imports, even the fabulous Century 21 outlets have all shut down completely or they're in the process of doing so. Dozens of other chains, including Nordstrom, Neiman Marcus, Macy's, JCPenney, Forever 21, The Gap, Banana Republic, are all shutting down multiple locations. While it's a tragedy on how many people have lost their jobs, it's also a tragedy for the small business owners who've lost businesses they put their heart and souls into. But at the same time, if you're looking for a bargain, this presents a unique opportunity. I'm going to just show you a few of the things that I've found, either that I purchased for myself or that I've just found in stores or online. And if you found any special deals, please share. Please show some love and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.